Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well and are staying safe. For today's video, I have my sinking fun stuffing, my cash envelope stuffing. I'm so excited for this video. If you guys didn't catch my budget with me video, it was probably 2 videos ago. So I will have that linked up in the cards up above. This side or this side, not really sure. But if you guys like cash stuffings, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you're not already, for new videos every single week. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Let's go ahead and get right into this cash stuffing. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to be stuffing $441 today. It's a little bit lower, but I mean, it's still a lot of money to be stuffing into my sinking funds. If you guys are new here or if you're an oldie but a goodie, I have started stuffing my sinking funds 2 separate paychecks because I have a lot of sinking funds. I just find it so easy to just, you know, save up for every little thing that you might have, and that way you're not surprised by anything. So I have quite a few sinking funds, but I'm super excited to be able to have a better system, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be stuffing these sinking funds today. If you guys, like I said, missed my budget with me video, I will have that linked down below for you guys. I actually do need a pen, so let me go get that. So I am back, have my pen, and now we're ready to get started. So first up here is Vet, and Vet is going to be getting $25. It currently has nothing, as you can see, because my dog did need to get some medication. So what's today's date? 11/24. Save 25, and the balance is 25. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in here. I will have a link to these cash envelopes down below. I love these more so than the ones that are just open at the top. I just personally love the zipper. Groomers is, I guess, not getting, oh, Groomers is already in the bank. So he's actually getting groomed right now. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take this out. Yeah, actually I'm going to take this out because it's going to be a few dollars extra this paycheck. So I'm not going to be adding anything to Groomer, but I am going to be subtracting the 15 that I have in here. So the balance will be 0. So that's great because I got him like this special Thanksgiving groom. So like they're using like pumpkin spice shampoo. It's like so freaking adorable. I love my grooming place. So Car is going to get 200, which is going to be $200 bills. Which we'll put, look how cute this 100 is. It's one of the old hundreds. So we're going to add 200, and we're going to now have $1,202, which is crazy. This is insane, you guys. Like, look how much. This is $1,200 right here, which is crazy. So I'm going to put that back in here. If you guys are unaware, I am in the process of buying a new car, so this will go towards the payment for that. Car insurance is going to get $25 as well. So 11. Yeah, you guys see, I haven't really stuffed my envelopes since the last time. So 75 is the new total. So we're going to add a 20 and a 5 for a total of 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. Amazing. Debt Snowball is not getting anything. I honestly forgot about Debt Snowball, but we'll reconvene afterwards. Savings already got its money, and that I just transfer automatically to my account now. This is just kind of some extra savings I keep in here. Savings challenge is going to get $25. So we'll do a 20 and a 5. Okay, what's the new total here? I need my calculator. So 86 plus 25 equals 111. So we should have $111. So let us see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's great. This is just like a little extra savings challenge. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. I add whenever I can. So yes, we love that. Emergency fund is going to get $25 as well. And then 11, 24, save, 25, 71 plus 25, 96. We're almost at 100. How exciting. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, which is super good. Once I'm done with my car, this is the next one that I'm definitely going to bulk up. Taxes is getting $10, so it's going to be 2 5s. I just always put something into taxes because I do get paid from YouTube sometimes, and I just want to have more money than necessary. So 1124, save, plus 10 equals $22. So 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Medical is going to get $5. So 1124, save, 5. We're gonna have 35. So 20, 30, 35. Amazon is going to be getting 16. So let's see. So here we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How is that 14? Did I take something? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I must have taken something out of here. Whatever. $14. My Amazon isn't due until next April, so we have plenty of time to stuff this, which is great. Oh, that one's not sitting pretty inside. All right, so now moving on to the other binder. We're going to stuff that as well. This is going to be the other binder that I stuff my next paycheck, which is super exciting. Christmas is going to get $100. You guys see Christmas is empty because I used it to buy this camera. So I'm not worried though. Christmas is honestly going to be pretty small this year anyway with my family. So we have $100. So, and I mean, even having $100 is better than having no money, and that's fine with me. And then Roger is going to get this last $10 here. So, oh, I took out an extra 5. Why is there an extra 5? I don't know, but whatever. So he's going to get $10. So it's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I can't believe he has $35 already. And I've just been saving this since August, which is insane. So he has his $35, which is awesome. This is just for extra stuff for him because he always needs extra stuff. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I don't know why I have this extra 5. I couldn't take out 10, so that's probably why I have this extra 5, because, or I missed something, but we'll find out eventually. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed. This money will be going back to the bank. An extra $20 is always great to have. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below, and I'll talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.